Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha. And ETFs could be one of the best ways to invest your money. In this video, we are going to talk about 4 ETFs with immense long-term growth potential. And especially if you're a beginner and have no knowledge or have no time to track the markets, ETFs could be one of the best ways in which you can invest your money in the correct assets. So without further ado, let's begin. The first ETF on our list is going to be the Nifty Bees ETF. Why this particular ETF? When you invest your money in the Nifty Bees ETF, your investment directly goes in the top 50 companies of India. And India is projected to be the fifth largest economy by 2025 and the third largest by 2030, overtaking the UK, Germany, and Japan. If you are active in the markets, you might have noticed that the foreign institutional investors have been investing heavily in our markets for the last 3 to 4 months. One of the best things about this ETF is it is highly liquid and the liquidity is high in that. And again, it's an ETF comprising of large cap companies, as I just mentioned. The historical returns again have been really good if you look at the 1 year returns. So it has given you a return of about 35%. In 5 years, this particular ETF has given you returns of close to about 114%, which is really great. And if you look at the all-time returns, it has given you a returns of about 1330% since 2002. So this is again one of the best ETFs in which you can consider investing your money for long term. And India, as I mentioned, has a lot more growth coming up, and it's still a developing country. So you can expect a lot more out of India in times to come. Why this particular ETF when we have other ETFs of the Nifty 50 index? Because this ETF is the one which has the least expense ratio and the least tracking error. So it's one of the best ETFs that you can consider for long-term investment. And again, the company which manages this particular ETF, which is Nippon AMC, is one of the best companies in India, which are under the business of asset management. So that's really great. Let's try to see what sort of delivery percentages have we seen in the last 2 weeks in this particular ETF. Because primarily in the last 2 weeks, the markets have corrected and therefore Nifty has corrected. And you can see strong delivery percentages in the last 2 weeks. Especially when the market corrected on Friday, you can see that the percentage of deliverable quantity was roughly 63.13, which was really great. So people are genuinely interested in buying this particular ETF, and you should not miss out on any opportunity in case of any dip in the markets, and just accumulate this ETF for long term, and it will give you really good returns. The second ETF on our list is going to be BankBees. Again, this is managed by Nippon Asset Management Company, and this particular ETF comprises of the top banks of India, or basically it replicates the Bank Nifty index if you're aware about that. Again, it's one of the best ETFs to invest because the financial and the banking sector has a very crucial role to play in the growth story of India, and it's definitely one of the best sectors for investment in times to come. Talking about the historical returns, in 1 year, this ETF has given you about a 21% returns, which is not bad. And in 5 years, this has given you roughly about 134 percentage returns. And I think that this particular ETF is really going to shine in times to come because the banking sector is really one of the most important sectors, not just for India, but for any country to grow further. Again, there are particularly more ETFs. So we have Kotak Nifty Bank ETF, we have SBI Nifty Bank, but again, the tracking error in the expense ratio tells me that this particular ETF is the one you should be eyeing for. And again, Nippon is a trustworthy company and has been in this business for years, so we can trust that. Again, let's have a look at the delivery percentages for this particular one. So for Bank B's, if I show you the delivery percentage since the last 2 weeks, again you can see that there has been a healthy delivery. Although in the last 2 days not that much, but when the market fell, again 61% delivery is really great. And again, people are accumulating this particular ETF on every single dip, so you should do that too. The third ETF is going to be the Nasdaq 100 ETF by Motilal Oswal. Now, why this particular ETF? One of the prime reasons is that you must be using a lot of technology that currently exists, and technology is the future. You might agree with me. I might sound a bit biased, but again, you cannot deny that without technology, the growth is not really possible. What is Nasdaq? Nasdaq is the top 100 tech companies, primarily tech companies, and it's one of the most important indices for the American markets, and it includes companies such as Tesla, Microsoft, Google, which is Alphabet, and a lot more other tech giants. And if you want to directly invest your money in those companies, N100 is the ETF for you. Again, let's have a look at the 1 year return. So in 1 year, it has given you really good returns of about 55%. In 5 years, this has given you a humongous returns of 227 percentage. Again, you won't face any liquidity issues in this particular ETF as long as you want to invest your money for long term. Again, this ETF tracks large cap indices, as I mentioned, and technology is the future. You cannot deny that. We have companies like Tesla producing electric cars. We have companies like Google. We have companies like Microsoft, Twitter, and a lot more tech companies which are taking on the world right now, and they are here to stay for a very long time. That was the third ETF. The fourth, again, let's have a look at the delivery data for this particular ETF. Again, we can see that there has been very strong delivery percentages since the last 2 weeks. So again, people are really accumulating this particular ETF for long term. The last one on our list is going to be Gold Bees, which is basically a gold ETF. Now, this particular ETF could be considered a defensive bet because usually when people invest their money in gold, they take it as a hedging position to hedge their portfolio because the gold and the equity markets have an inverse relation. I know right now the situation is a little reverse, but I think in generally the long term, the inverse relationship exists between the gold and the ETF markets. So gold can be considered as a defensive bet for your particular portfolio. I would agree that gold moves really slow in long term, but again, it's one such asset which protects you and it's considered a safe investment. And one of the best ways to invest in gold is either through sovereign gold bonds or through gold ETF. I would highly recommend you to check this ETF out. As I mentioned, that gold moves slowly. So in 1 year, it has given you a return of 6.72%. In 5 years, it has given you decent returns of about 52%. You cannot expect the returns of this particular ETF to be as high as the other three because the other three are equity ETFs and this one is a gold ETF. So there is definitely going to be some difference in the two. And gold, as I mentioned, is a safe asset. So it moves slowly, but it will preserve your money in the long run. And it's considered to be less risky, of course. Again, before concluding this video, let's have a look at the delivery percentages of gold bees. And again, you can see very strong delivery percentages. One of the reason would be because there is not much trading happening in this particular ETF. So people generally buy this for long-term investment, and you will see that majority of the times the delivery percentages in this particular ETF is very much high. So I think these four ETFs can really benefit you in the long run, provided you start accumulating this particular ETFs on each dip that you find in the markets, and this can really give you very good returns in times to come. So I hope this particular video was useful for you and it gave you a little bit of an insight as to where you can invest your money, especially if you are facing lack of time or a lack of knowledge in the markets. And I hope that this one helps you. If it did, please consider pressing the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care and bye bye.